Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the sky, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog.
Hello everybody, Gus here again from Belgium. So welcome in this small tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your home page, or for example if you have a new page in your WordPress website and you want to add it as a home page. So yeah, let's jump into my screen. As you see, this is a test website, so this is the home page. When we click on home, nothing special happens, right? So but let's say we want to I don't know, use this page, the project space, to be on the first page, so for the home page. So how do we do that? Well, it's pretty easy. First we go to settings, then we go to reading, and here you see your home page displays. You can go for the latest post if you want to, but in this example we will change that. So the home page we will change to services. Okay, we click on save changes, of course, then we open the website in a new tab, and boom, it's already there. You see, that was easy, right? But many people forget, when you click on home, it links again to the home page, the previous home page. So some people are confused. What is the reason behind that? Well, it's easy. So we did this one. So when you go to the home page, it's good, yeah. But when you click on the home page button, it's not good. That's why we need to change the menu. So we go to appearance, then here menus. So you see this page is still in the menu. So we click on the arrow, click on remove, and it was this one, right? So okay, we can keep this. Wait, let me first save the menu. Yes, this one. Come on. Okay, we can change this. So if you want to put home here, you can do that, but save the menu. Always watch out, because sometimes you have footer menu here also, but here this is the primary menu, so it should work. So let's go back to the website. Okay, normally it's okay, this is the home page. It opens this one, this is good. So you see home is gone more or less. So if you click on this one, services, this one opens. But I would advise you, it's just for user experience, to always use home. You know how it goes. People are zombies, right, on online these days. So let's refresh, and there it is. So if you go to another page, okay, this was a bad one, I have been playing with that, but if you click on home, it links to this one. So yeah, really easy. So okay, so when you click on home, you see this, and if you want to restore everything, you can of course go to the settings, go to reading again. You can search the home page again, go for this one, save the changes, and then of course do not forget, you must edit this in the menu also. So this will be the previous services, right? So this is good. I will quickly save the menu, and then you can go for the pages, and we will restore the home one. So this is the one, and it's already there. And of course we save menu. Then we open the page in a new tab on the home page, and there it is. So really easy. You can test and play with it. Just watch out, because in the past I had myself some small stupid errors with this. I was editing the menu, but for some reason it was I was editing the footer menu. So the footer, the last part of the website, right? So I was saving, I was thinking, oh, what is this? Is this a bug? What is that all? And yeah, it was just simply me who was a little bit too fast and not putting the focus on this. So yeah, really easy. That's all for this small video. See you in the next video. Bye.